guys, so fluid art is a very popular form of abstract art and I've been thinking to try it from a very long time. But it's like a mess because you have to buy a pouring medium and then you have to mix it with acrylic colors separately. But when I came to know that Camlin has launched its own fluid acrylic kit, then I was like, that's the thing I wanted. Because you don't need a pouring medium, the shades are already in a pouring consistency, and this comes with a canvas, 4 acrylic shades and an apron. There are 2 more series, Sunset and Aqua one. I have bought this monochrome series, so the instructions are listed here. So take the cup, fold the rim, pour the colors individually, and then pour this puddle slowly via pointed edge, then tilt the canvas, and there you have it. Then let it dry for 24 hours. So I bought this kit for 249 rupees. And even I'm new to this, so I don't know how it will come out. So let's find it. And yeah, always place a newspaper or any waste sheet under this because this is definitely gonna create some mess. This is our 8 by 8 inches canvas. These are 4 acrylic shades: golden, silver, white and black. This is the apron, so I will just wear this. Never forget to wear an apron cause these colors won't come off your clothes. Now place 2 cups under the canvas to keep it a bit elevated from the ground so that you can work easily on it. Now take 1 more cup in which you have to pour these acrylic paints. So now I'm tilting the cup a bit and starting to pour the color. I should have poured it from the bottom. Okay, I did a mistake. Okay, let's try this once again. Now I will pour it from a bit at the bottom of the cup, Okay, so I'm gonna slowly pour all the shades one by one. Now I'm pouring white, then some black and silver. So I'm keeping a sequence of like gold, white, black and silver. You can pour however you like. So just pour and create layers one by one. I'm trying to pour black less as I don't want it too much, but the flowing consistency of black is very good as compared to other shades, so it's just smoothly flowing out. So there are so many techniques to pour this acrylic paint on the canvas, like the Dutch pour, the ring pour, etc. Today I'm going to try the ring pour technique. Now tilt the cup, fold it a bit and pour the paint in circular motion. As you can see, I am pouring it slowly. Add rest of the paint on the corners of the canvas. All we have to do now is that tilt the canvas slowly so that the colors will cover the whole canvas themselves. Like I'm just slowly tilting the canvas to paint every corner of it. So the paint is not going here, I'm just adding some more paint here. I want some more golden, so I'm just adding a few drops and then I will tilt the canvas to blend it. Do this process very slowly, have some patience and wait for the paint to reach every corner of the canvas. Don't forget to cover the sides of the canvas with paint. This is so enjoyable to do as you don't need to be worried about the outcome. And I'm not even wearing gloves cause I just like to play with colors. So finally our fluid art is complete. So I'm very much satisfied with the results and I tried to use black less, but as it is my first attempt, I liked it very much and I would suggest you to definitely try this as it is very easy that anyone can do this. And you can also secure it with varnish. So hope you all liked it. Do tell me in the comment section below. See you until my next video.